Welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how to turn off your MacBook. So it is super easy to turn off a MacBook. All you need to do is to click first on this little Apple icon, then select shut down. Are you sure you want to shut down your computer now? If you do nothing, the computer will shut down automatically in this period 50 seconds. Before hitting the shutdown button, you can select between going or reopening Windows when logging back in. For example, if you have Finder window opened and you want to reopen it, select this option like this. Personally, I shut down directly without this feature. When you click on this shutdown button, if there is a software opened and it is not saved, they will ask you to save it before shutting down. If nothing requires saving, your MacBook will automatically shut down after hitting this blue button. And this is how to shut down your MacBook, or this is how to turn off your MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.